Hello, Croquets. Welcome back. We're playing another cool indie game. That's what we usually do here. Not usually, just like I said in the community notice that I gave. We're just doing a spooky month right now for October because it's like October. Another game that I found is called Pager. Epilepsy warning. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. Okay. So, like I said, yeah, in this month we're gonna just play some horror games usually, and after that we're gonna stick to other games more, like experimenting around and such, because this channel is fairly new because of that reason, and I just want to get onto other places that the other stuff that is more fun or is more interesting generally. Just to sticking to one thing just sounds a bit whack. Whack. Well, okay. Welcome to your new job. We are glad that you're on board. Okay. Don't. Follow the instructions carefully. Toggle your pager with Q and P. Okay. Oh. Let's check that out. We got my trusty cans. We got more cans. We got... Oh. I will do my best. Ah. I remember that one video. Huh? What are you? Oh god, look at you. Let me get my pager. Okay, what I do now, I'll just could continue doing anything. I don't think I can do anything but the butterfly. Please proceed to the next floor. Good luck, thank you. Mr. Unknown Existence, I shall remember you. Well, I shall give you a name. And I will give you the name... Julian, no. Eol. Eol. I will call you Eol. That sounds cool. That sounds very neutral. Follow the corridor on the right. What if I don't? What if I go to the left? What will happen then? What will happen then, huh? Let's see, what will something jump? Never listen to instructions. God. Oh no! Fishy! Don't die, fishy, don't. Okay. Everything is locked. There's no such thing as failure, only opportunities for growth. Wait. Oh my god, no, it actually does that? That's kind of crazy. What if I don't? What if I don't again? What if something cool will happen? What if, like, after the second try, the game will say, that I succeeded in something, you know? No, I don't. You failed miserably. Oh, look, there's a second time. Let's continue. Follow the corridor on the right. I refuse. You can't tell me what to do because I can't read. I'm illiterate. Okay, let's see. You failed miserably. Follow the corridor on the right. Okay, I think that's about it. I was expecting something interesting. Okay, mister. Let me continue with the door, following with the door. Hell yeah. You took the wrong path. Please follow the instruction. Follow the corridor on the left. That's it. You can't make me paranoid because I know clearly that I took this path. Proceed to the next one. Please be more careful next time. I took the left path, yeah. What are you? What is this? This is just stupid. Please deliver a box to room 1. You must carry a box before entering any room. Let's go to room 1. That's what they said. There we go. Can I do something? Can I steal your coffee? Can I steal your little flower? Alright, let's continue now. Well done. Continue next floor. Thank you. Thank you, Eli. I forgot the name. Where's the next floor? Yeah, failed. Please try again. Ah, yeah. Oh no, is this game? Is this game Alzheimer's test? No, no, I will fail that. I'm gonna fail that. Oh, I will probably fail that. Oh no. Where's the bug? Oh my god, son of a. This is a horror game because I'm actually scared about myself. What? Oh, look at your little eyes. Ah, yes, indeed. Take the coffee to the room at the end of the corridor. Yes, yes, Eli. Can I jump off? I can't. That's me in 5 years. Climbing the stairs of life. Going and thinking I'm doing something correctly, but in the end, it doesn't matter. Memento mori, they say. Remember death or I will die anyways. Okay. That's just like... I will kill for a great cup of joy. I thought it's gonna say like, I will kill you. Oh, there it is. What did it say? I will kill for a great cup of joe. Take the coffee to the room on the end of the corridor. Yes, Eli. Where is the coffee? To end of the corridor. We're going to the end of the corridor. We're going to the end of the corridor again. What the hell? Where is my coffee? What did I do wrong? What is the mistake that I'm doing? Don't tell me I have to actually use my brain for this instance. Clearly know that I'm not good at it. Oh no. Lord. I just have to... Sure, why not? Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's just Caravan. I can't. Okay, I will use this instance to speak about... Oh my fucking god. Here we go. I got your coffee. Eli, stop being weird. Well, what a beautiful pathway. That was great. Next floor. Thank you. Thank you that you appreciate my hard work. Then I hate making coffee and giving it to other upper people. It's always really annoying. Thank you. The sun is setting and it looks beautiful. Strange, there are no doors in this room. I will check the floor plan and get back to you. It just happens. Oh, we're manifesting the devil coffee devil. I hope I can improve my English in this upcoming month. This YouTube channel will probably improve my English very, very much. Yeah. Ah, look, there's 1 point coffee. There is another liter of coffee. I mean, Coke. What was that? Eli. This floor was designed to test your patience, and you did not succeed. Exact appropriate penalties. It was an accident. I just wanted to. It was an accident. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Everywhere is water. Oh my. Holy shit. Oh no, not the microphone! Why is everything a mess? Okay, wait. Let me clean that up. There we go. There we go. There we go. It looks way better now. But I need to. We're back. I think we're back. I mean, I don't know. This computer can crash any second now. Any second. Well, before we do that, let's play this game. Resume, let's go. Yes. All right. Oh, I have such kind of in my place, in my home, in my room. It's more of a room than anything, to be honest. I can't open that. I cannot do this. Can I crouch? I can't crouch. They don't even have a restroom. Like, where do I clean my hands? What is this? Be sure to follow each movement instruction very carefully. Wait a second. I can't follow because I'm blind. Okay, what now? Start running. How would I run? Faster. How to run? Jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Crouch. I'm crouching. Watch out for the car. Okay. Your agility is quite poor, which is exactly what we anticipated. Please proceed. No, we got insulted in so many different ways. Oh my god. There is a colleague in the next room. He will guide you to the next floor. Okay. That's the next. Oh, what the hell? Don't do this. Come back. Come back. Oh well. This one is easy. Find the box and take it to the next floor within 5 minutes. One more thing. When you encounter a man-made fish, adhere to a trajectory that is precise antithesis of the vector indicated by the orientation and alignment of its position. The timer starts now. You have 5 minutes. Okay. Where the hell is the box? Look at that fish. So, it's trajectory of that singular fish. You want me to turn back now? I will not. I shall not. I don't care. Well. Oh, there it is. Let's go to the next floor. That's quite nice. This is how office feels like. Be warned. When you take an office job, this is what will happen. Stanley Parable, but in fucking pixels. Hell yeah. Okay. I took it to the next floor. Someone left their gun on their coffee table, you know? What? Someone left a gun on the table, you know what to do. You know, it's not worth it to live anymore. Let's fire. Shoot. What is that? Oh, culprit. This person who made. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? I'm just looking around. Don't pay attention. Don't pay attention at all. I'm just here having fun. It's a playground. Uh, would you look at that? So, indeed, nice job. Head to the next floor. You don't know what to do with the gun. There's a gun trash can. My German instincts just told me, yeah, there must be a different colored trash can. We got the blue, the yellow, and the green, and the brown. There must be a pink one for specifically for guns. And I'm Oh, hi, I'm BJ. I want to thank you for playing this far. I'm really happy. It was This is the final floor of the demo. I hope you enjoyed. It was great. I really loved it. I really loved it. If you did, please add the game to your Steam burst. It will help me make the game bigger and better. And you help this person, support them financially, or subscribe to them, or go to their wish list. I promise I will wish list the game. Thank you. Thank you too. Can I continue? I can't. Before we do, I know like he has secrets here. I know he has secrets. Got floor 2. Got floor 4. Floor 6. 8, 7, 5, 3. It's probably the mixture of the codes on the screen that you have to find out. Usually that's what it is. Oh. Thank. There we go. Oh, what? I didn't notice it. Who the hell are you? Okay. Well, and thank you for watching. I didn't notice he wasn't there, and he has a gun too. Well, then then I see. Then I see you in the next one. Bye bye.